Moya's tongue. She's shaking. I don't know. She ever had babies?
Yeah. She had Lacey, you fucking idiot. Say guys, put on my phone, bitch. Ew, get out of my face. Yes, they do. That's why your shoes smell like cottage cheese the other day. What are you doing? This bitch is high as fuck. We're going outside.
Come back.
What? What? Did you say come back? Come outside.
Pick me up.
I can't pick you. We already been over this.
Pick up my legs and then my head. You know what I mean?
Swear to God.
Come on.
I can't do this.
I just ate him. I'm fucking throw up. And then if you can't pick me up, put it back.
Crazy bitch.
If I ever get you wrong, I'm gonna have to be like that person that picks me up when I fall on the floor. It's not gonna happen.
What? I forgot my cigarettes. They're right there, bitch. Turn the light on. Ooh, my booty.
Prince Williams didn't do it right if you ask me. Smoking is for losers. You look hurt my
Call me a loser. Are you eating your arm?
You hurt my arm.
All I see was.
I was kissing it because you heard it.
Bye.